Okay, this time we'll ask how many different license plates are possible if a state uses two letters followed by a four-digit integer. Leading zeros are permissible and the letters and digits can be repeated. And B, three letters followed by a three-digit integer. In practice, is it possible that certain spellings are ruled out? So, this one is actually really simple and straightforward, and let me go ahead and explain it to you. On the first, in A, there is that word that says here, can be repeated. Can be repeated means it doesn't matter which order. So once you see can be repeated and the order doesn't matter, then the first thing you would think of is exponential. Now, how many, basically, if you use two letters followed by a four-digit integer, how many license plates can you make, basically? Well, let's think about it. In the alphabet, you have 26 letters. Okay? In numerical, you have 10 digits. Basically, what's asking you, it says, there are 26 letters in the alphabet. So if I have to choose two letters, or if I have to choose one, I have 26 options. So if I have two, then I have 26 options 2 times. So I have 26 options 2 times. Because 26 times 26 is 26 squared. Times, I have 10 digits. And I can use 4 integers. Well, 10 digits, I have 10 options. If I have to choose one, I have 10 options of choosing one integer from 0 to 9. If I had 2, I would have 10 options to choose 2 numbers. So as I want to find 3 or 4, then I have 10 options to choose from. So I have 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10 to the power of 4, and that would equal to 6, 7, 6, and 4 zeros. This is for A. And B, this is for A, and B says that here you have 26 options against as letters, but you have 26 options. So it will be 26 times 26 times 26, but we can just write as 26 cubed. And, and you would have 10 options, but you're only choosing 3. So 10 options would be 10 cubed. And that would equal to 175, 7, 6, 1, 2, 3. Let me repeat that again. I'm going to say it one more time. It asks for 2 letters and 4 digits. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. So that means if you have to choose one letter, you have 26 options to choose from. So as you are choosing 2, then you have 2 of the 26 options. So you have 1 26 and the second 26. So you have 26 the first time, 26 the second time. And in B, you have 26 the first, second, and third time. Same way for 10 digits. You have 4 options you have 4 digits to choose, but you have 10 options. So 10 options of each one digit. So it's 10 to the power of 4 and 10 to the power of 3. So this is how you do this problem. I hope you understood it, and thank you for watching it. And let me just erase that part and do it again. This is the times 10. Alright, bye bye.